This is the HelloWatch 3 Ultra in always-on digital display. You got an amazing combination of watch faces on this one, and you can change them instantly or go to completely different faces by turning the wheel itself. Swipe down, you get messages sent from your phone. Come over this way, you get a pull-out panel with most recent apps, temperature, time, date, and so forth. When you come up, you get all kinds of different controls. There's Bluetooth calling on this one, 4 gigabytes of storage for music in here that you can stream out of the loudspeaker right there, and a lot of other different controls available to you as well. This way, you've got your step count information for the day, including a chart by hour for all three: distance, calories, and steps. Heart rates figured instantly right here when you land on the page. You can come down and get your resting heart rate, walking heart rate. When it computes all of that, you'll get that data. Over here you got blood oxygen. Does a 15-second test. It's using green diodes, not red on that one. And of course it'll give you your blood oxygen reading, which should be between roughly 95 to 99 or so. 98% for me right now. Here's last night's sleep time. More information on the app when you connect it. Ladies, here's your menstrual cycle information. If you have this all set up on the app, you can put that in there. Weather forecast in your area, temperature, Fahrenheit or centigrade. Here's all your phone calling information where you can make and receive phone calls, Bluetooth tethered to your phone, and a built-in music player where you can take advantage of local music or streamed music from your phone, or you can pair Bluetooth headphones, and it's nice and loud. All that's available. And of course, you can rearrange the order, take some of them out, whatever you'd like to do is available right there. Press the button 2 times, you get into your sporting activities, records, all your measurements, heart rate, blood oxygen. You've got a compass in this one. You have calendars, voice assistant for Siri or Google. You've got a really nice breath training process in here where you can really contour the number of breaths per minute. Countdown timers, count up, stopwatch, menstrual cycle, calculators built into it as well. You got lots of different fun things, including an app center with a bunch of different games that you can add to this one at your leisure, even an ebook. Amazing. Lots and lots of stuff. All of your social media and of course your overall settings are in here where you can set up your do not disturb as well as your always on screens and stuff like that. Password protection. You can put in an SOS number if you want to. Very, very sophisticated device. It comes with the Apple Ocean style of a band in orange on this one, and definitely has the look and feel of the Apple Watch Ultra. This is the HelloWatch 3 Ultra. Check it out.